Guys, welcome to new and exciting video of Mr. Dog. Guys, in this video I'm going to discuss helping your dog to overcome fear of loud noises. So let's start the video. First of all guys, understand the fear. Before diving into solution, it's crucial to understand why dogs react so strongly to loud voices. Dogs have keen senses and sounds that are merely loud to us and can be overwhelming for them. Additionally, certain noises may trigger past traumatic experiences and their fear as well. So recognizing these triggers in their first step towards helping your dog. First of all, create a safe space. Designate a safe space haven for your dog where they can retreat during noisy events. This could be a quiet room with their bed, toys, and familiar scents. Encourage them to use this space even when they are loud noises around the corner, so they associate it with comfort and security. Next is gradual desensitization. Guys, desensitization involves gradually exposing your dog to the noises that frighten them in a controlled environment. Start by playing recordings of the noise at a low volume while engaging your dog in activities they enjoy, such as playing or training. Over time, gradually increase the volume as long as your dog remains calm. This process helps them to build a positive association with the noises. Next is counter conditioning. Guys, counter conditioning involves changing your dog's emotional response to the feared stimulus by pairing it with some positive things. Whenever the loud noises occurs, offer your dog a high value treat or engage them in a fun activity. This helps to shift their focus from fear to engagement. Next one is provide distraction. During noisy events, discharge and distract your dog with activities that capture their attention and keep them engaged. Interactive toys, puzzles, feeders, or engaging in obedience trainings can redirect their focus away from the noise and onto something else and positive. The last one is, and the important one is, guys, consult a professional. If your dog fears of loud noises is severe and doesn't improve with the passage of time and home techniques, so never hesitate to consider or seek help from a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can tailor a behavior modification plan specific to your dog needs and breed as well, and provide guidance on managing their fear. So guys, I am hopeful that this video will be helpful for you. So keep watching and keep sharing Mr. Dog.